Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a busy mom trying to balance screen time, creativity, and sanity, you know how rare it is to find a toy that truly holds your child's attention. Today, I'm sharing one of our favorite finds, the Caliart Deluxe Art Set. Priced at $31, it's not just another art kit. It's a complete creative experience designed to grow with your child. I first noticed it because of how beautiful it looks on the shelf. There's something undeniably special about that wooden case. But what made me hit by now was the promise of variety and quality in one organized package. As a parent, I'm always looking for gifts that feel meaningful, not just flashy. This one checked all the boxes: engaging, educational, and screen-free. I wanted to put it to the test in real life, through busy afternoons, travel days, and creative bursts, so I could honestly tell you if it's worth the space in your home. And now, after weeks of colorful messes and proud masterpieces, I'm ready to share the full story. Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the hunt for meaningful, screen-free activities for my kiddo, this Caliart Deluxe Art Set has been an absolute game changer. The moment we opened that wooden case, it felt like unveiling a treasure chest full of creative possibilities. It's not just a box of crayons slapped together. It's thoughtfully packed with everything a young artist could dream of: markers, colored pencils, pastels, paint sets, brushes, sketch pads, and even a coloring book. My 8-year-old was wide-eyed with excitement, immediately pulling out the watercolors to test how vibrant the colors were. What I love most is how it encourages exploration. Whether she's sketching a unicorn, painting a rainbow sky, or doodling silly monsters, she has all the tools right there in one beautiful, organized case. It's like giving imagination its very own toolbox. And honestly, as a parent, seeing her so engaged without a tablet in sight, that's priceless. One of the standout things about this set is how practical it is for everyday use. The wooden case keeps everything in place, which is a total lifesaver in our house where art supplies usually end up scattered from the kitchen table to the dog's bed. The two A4 sketch pads included are perfect for longer projects, and we've already filled one with drawings she proudly tapes to her bedroom wall. I've gifted this to other kids too. My nephew got it for his birthday, and his mom texted me later saying he hadn't stopped drawing for hours. It's become our go-to gift for birthdays and holidays because it feels special, not just another plastic toy that breaks in a day. It's great for car rides, rainy afternoons, or even as a quiet time activity when everyone needs a break. And since it's got such a wide variety of tools, it grows with your child. Whether they're scribbling shapes at 5 or working on more detailed drawings at 10, this set stays relevant. Now, let's talk about quality, because as moms, we all know not every brightly colored box lives up to the hype. Overall, I'd say the supplies are fantastic for casual and beginner artists. The markers are vivid, the colored pencils blend pretty well, and the watercolor set, while not professional grade, is more than enough to get a kid started. My daughter loves how the pastels give her artwork that soft, dreamy look. That said, I'll be honest, there are a few areas where it shows it's made for kids, not professional artists. Some of the colors are super similar. Like, do you really need 3 shades of bright pink? And I noticed the crayons are a bit brittle if you press too hard. But for a child's use, totally normal. The real concern some parents might have, and I saw this when I opened the second set I bought, is that the construction of the case can be a little hit or miss. On one, the drawer was slightly cracked, and the plastic tray inside wasn't perfectly aligned. It didn't ruin the experience, but it did make me wish the packaging was a bit more secure. Still, considering the price, $31 for 153 pieces in a wooden case, it's an incredible value. I've bought smaller sets for nearly half the price that didn't even come close to what's included here. It's not just the quantity either, it's the presentation. That little wooden box makes it feel special, like something you display, not hide in a closet. Every time my daughter opens it, she feels like an artist. And that boost in confidence, that's everything. I've watched her go from "I can't draw" to "Look, Mom, I made a whole scene in just a few weeks. That kind of creative growth is what this set fosters. Plus, it's not just for solo time. We've had family art nights where everyone picks a tool and adds to a shared drawing. It's become a bonding experience, and honestly, those are the moments I live for as a parent. Another thing I appreciate is how well rounded the set is. It's not just about coloring inside the lines. The inclusion of sketch pads encourages free drawing. The paint set teaches blending and water control, and the different mediums help kids learn what they enjoy most. I've noticed my daughter experimenting more, trying out markers for bold designs, switching to pencils for detail work. It's helping her develop not just art skills, but decision making and focus, too. I've even caught her teaching her little brother how to use the pastels, which melted my heart. It's more than a toy, it's a learning kit disguised as fun. And for creative kids who light up at the sight of rainbow colored supplies, this set feels like magic. It sparks curiosity, supports expression, and gives them space to be messy, explore, and create without pressure. Would I buy it again? Absolutely, I already have. This is my second set, and both times it's brought so much joy. Sure, the case could be sturdier, and if you're buying it for a serious teen artist, they might outgrow it quickly. But for kids, it's perfect. It's colorful, comprehensive, and most importantly, it gets used. Not shoved in a drawer, not forgotten after a week. Every single piece has had its moment. As a mom, I want things that inspire my child, not just entertain her. And this set does exactly that. It's not flawless, but it's full of heart, and honestly, in our house, that counts for a lot. If your child's creativity deserves a standing ovation, give this video a like and share the love. And for more mom tested pics that spark joy and imagination, hit subscribe. Let's fill your kid's world with color, one fabulous find at a time.